Welcome back to Thrifty Virgo Lefty. Today I'm using Cricut Design Space to create a Happy Halloween design for a bonnet. As you can see, I grabbed some images from there, created a design. I have to do a mirror image before printing it out because I'll be pressing it on to the back of the fabric. Once I do that, I just go ahead and I like to click the fast feature. That way it cuts the design a little faster because this one will be a little bit more difficult than the ones that I normally use. And once I start peeling it back, you'll start seeing the image. I used the little pen right there to get it started. Um, they have a lot of utensils that you can buy to use, but for me personally, this is much more easier for me to do it. But anyways, you can see the design is starting to come to light. Then I use the little tools to take the little pieces from the inside of the letters, like A and P and stuff like that. I put my heat settings on 295, 30 seconds press. Um, I like to go ahead and give it a little press to the bonnet first. And then as you can see, I'm going to take this image and apply it to the middle of the bonnet. And if you need a ruler to measure, please do. I've done a lot of these, so this one is a little easy for me. But anyway, so I use my heat press, start my button. It's going to time my 30 seconds. I let it cool off. Once it cool off, I take my time and peel the clear sheet off, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoy. Have a wonderful day.